Time for some Wednesday birthdays across the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Webb City with Winston Wosel celebrating birthday number 5 with some birthday love from Nana.
All right, and we've got Jackson Henry King turning 7 strong in Chanute with love from all your family and friends.
Also 7 strong, Hunter and River Nance in Pittsburgh. They are, of course, twins, and a happy birthday to a couple of our favorite little ladies is what it says.
All right, Piper Solomon is 11 years old this year in Chanute.
And Chloe Coots celebrating birthday number 11 as well in Cherokee. Happy birthday, Chloe.
All right, Jalen Earl turning 18 years old in Jasper.
And Milt Ackley celebrating birthday number 52 with love from your wife, kids, and bestie.
Donetta Rivera turning double nickels today in Joplin.
And Judy Babcock celebrating birthday number 70 in Parsons with love from your family. Happy birthday, Judy.
All right, Lawrence Goody turning 70 years old this year in Bartlett, Kansas with love from your kids, Jamie, Vicky, Joshua, and Michaela.
And Chad Bugney happens to be the dad in this picture, celebrating a birthday in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Chad.
Sherry Adams, happy birthday wishes to you, and a special note here that says thank you for always being genuine, and you with love from the O'Banion crew.
And Sally Pullman Wrinkle in Girard celebrating a birthday as well, and Sally works at the Bryan Student Health Center at PSU. Happy birthday.
All right, Bob and Dorothy No are celebrating their 60th anniversary in Farlington, Kansas.
And our list continues. We've got Chris Richardson celebrating birthday number 72 in Joplin, and he's a minister at Crestline Christian Church. Happy birthday, Chris.
All right, John and Janice Gaither celebrating an anniversary in Columbus.
Charles Volker celebrating birthday number 52 in Girard. Happy birthday, Charles.
And Brandon Coons, happy birthday to you in Columbus.
Well, of course, we always love to celebrate birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya, if folks want to celebrate with us, what do they need to do?
All you have to do is send us an email with their birthday pic and all the details to birthdayswithans@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, when you're checking out our website, because why wouldn't you check out our website? You can take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.